Hello everyone, I hope you all are getting good knowledge of art and craft through my channel Art Canvas. So today I'm going to show you how to do shading with these available material. I have shading pencils and Bristow eraser. Here you can see different grades of shading pencils like 8B, 6B, 4B, 3B, 2B and 5B. So these things will be useful for shading purpose.
So with the help of 6B pencil, I'm going to show you how to do shading work inside this circle. Here you can see inside this circle to give it a 3D form. Right now it's a shape, a circular shape. We can change this shape into a form. So first we need to understand from which side light is coming. Suppose light is coming from this side, so we need to show the lighter part here and the middle tone and the dark tone. I'm going to show you the theory, the formula of shading. Here you can see it's called light. L stands for light and M and D. So we are going to follow this formula. Okay. D stand for dark, M stand for medium tone and L stand for light tone. So whenever we are going to do shading on particular subject, on an object or shape, whatever is there, so we need to do like this: D, M, L. Okay, so as I told you, this is the formula which we need to use for shading purpose. And yes, before to start shading, we need to understand the tip of the pencil. Here you can see it's changed into like a chisel. Here you can see with the help of sandpaper, 0 number sandpaper, you can grate your pencil from one corner, from tip like this, and you can change the shape. Here you can see easily. Yes, so now from this corner we are going to shade this circle. Always start shading from the darker part and with very light hand. You can move your pencil in the same direction. We need to vanish this line, this outer line, to give it a 3D effect. And always start shading with very light hand, as I told you, and gradually you can develop tone over to it, light to middle, middle to dark. So like this you need to move your pencil towards the downward direction, and then according to the need you can add tone over to it. Means you can repeat your pencil. आप लाइट से डार्क की तरफ अगर जा रहे हैं तो आपको शेड्स रिपीट करने होंगे, पेंसिल स्ट्रोक्स रिपीट करने होंगे. we have different method of shading here. So here I am just showing you with the help of pencil only. I am not going to blend it. ब्लेंडिंग मेथड एक डिफरेंट मेथड होता है जिसमें आप कुछ यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लाइक कॉटन और टिश्यू पेपर और अ क्लॉथ टू ब्लेंड द शेड्स हियर, बट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ ओनली दिस पेंसिल नाउ. We need to vanish this outer line because lines कहीं exist करती ही नहीं है. हम lines के थ्रू किसी object को नहीं देखते एक्चुअली, हम देखते हैं 3 tones की हेल्प से, light tone, middle tone and the dark tone. So we don't need this line, this outer line here. Little bit shadow I am going to do this side also. अचानक से कोई हम शेडिंग रोकेंगे नहीं. Slowly we need to start making this part darker because this is the darker part. लाइट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड. इस पार्ट को हमें लाइट शो करना है, इस पार्ट को हमें मिडल शो करना है, इस पार्ट को हमें डार्क शो करना है. सो हम धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुअली वी आर गोइंग टू मेक दिस पार्ट डार्कर. एंड यू नीड टू कीप इन योर माइंड दैट stroke should be blended here properly with the help of pencil only. पेंसिल की ही हेल्प से हमको सारे स्ट्रोक्स को अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना है. विद वेरी लाइट हैंड. नेवर डू लाइक दिस. कभी एक ही बार में डार्कनेस नहीं करते हैं. दिस इज़ द रॉन्ग वे ऑफ डूइंग शेडिंग वर्क. It will give hardness to that particular thing. Now again I am repeating my pencil over this part to make this more darker. And this is shadow. So here you need to do shading like this. The same pencil you can do. I am not going to mix both the things. Here you can see. and then with the help of this Gusto eraser you can add some highlights here. Small kids can use their small normal eraser, that non-dust eraser, for highlighting this part. I am erasing this line because we don't need this line. I am going to do shading here to show the round effect here. Now little bit hatching this side. Right now I am doing hedging, means like I am overlapping the stroke here. So in this way you can shade different things like square, rectangle, triangle, to change them into form, into 3D form, like this. Now same formula we need to follow: dark, medium and light. So I'm going to start from the dark part. एक ही बार में इसको डार्क नहीं करना है. राइट नाउ आई एम यूजिंग 6B पेंसिल, सो इट्स ऑलरेडी वेरी डार्क, बट आई एम डूइंग इट विद वेरी लाइट हैंड. बहुत हल्के हाथ से मैं इसे कर रही हूँ. Okay, so kids, I hope you all like this video. It's a very simple way of doing shading work on particular shape